It gives me immense pleasure to be amongst you at the third edition of the Chanakya Defense Dialogue. It is good to know that eminent members of the strategic community, academia and industry and the stakeholders will deliberate upon issues that have shaped the security landscape of our nation. The Indian Armed Forces have exemplified professionalism and patriotism in guiding the sovereignty of the India. During every security challenge, whether conventional, counter-insurgency and humanitarian, our forces have displayed remarkable adaptability and resolve. The recent success of Operation Sindoor stands as a defining moment in our counter-terror and deterrent strategy. The world took note not only of India's military capability, but of India's moral clarity to act firmly yet responsibly in the pursuit of peace. I am happy to know that beyond its operational role, the Indian Defense Forces remain a pillar of national development. Apart from strengthening our frontiers, they have also helped in border area development through infrastructure, connectivity, tourism, and education. Ladies and gentlemen, today's geopolitical landscape is changing rapidly. The international system is being rewritten by contesting power centers, technological disruptions, and shifting alliances. New domains of competition, cyberspace, information, and cognitive warfare are blurring the lines between peace and conflict. Guided by our civilizational ethos of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, we have shown that strategic autonomy can coexist with global responsibility. Our diplomacy, our economy, and our armed forces together project an India that seeks peace but is prepared to protect its border and its citizens with strength and conviction. I am happy to know that the Army is transforming itself through quantifiable, deliverable under the decade of transformation. It is reforming structures, reorienting doctrines, and redefining capabilities to the future-ready and mission-capable across all domains. I am confident that these defense reforms will help in making India self-reliant. I am happy to know that the Army is investing in youth and human capital. It is instilling patriotism in youth through education, NCC expansion, and sports. The expansion of the contribution of young women officers and soldiers, both in role and character, would promote the spirit of inclusion. It will also inspire more young women to join Indian Army and take up other professions. I hope that the discussion and outcome of this dialogue will provide valuable insights to policymakers for shaping the future contour our national policy. I am confident that our armed forces will continue to strive for excellence and move ahead with resolve and determination to achieve the goal of Viksit Bharat by 2047. I wish all a bright future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.